Windows 11 keeps replacing your GPU graphic drivers? Look what I have here. This one here is GeForce 1660 Ti, 6GB. This is RX 6700 XT, 12GB. Now imagine if you have these beautiful graphic cards in your computer and Windows 11 thinks that it's smarter for these big giants NVIDIA and AMD that create software for these GPUs, but Windows 11 keep replacing and replacing even if you did the tricks that I showed you before. Today I'm going to show you a new method. I found a way to permanently fix this problem and prevent Windows 11 keeps replacing your GPU graphic driver. Let's go directly to the point and let's fix this problem forever. When Windows 11 upgrades a stable version or a main release version in my computer, automatically replace my drivers. This problem is not only for AMD graphic cards, this is also for NVIDIA GPU graphic cards. Let's see something here. Let's go to Computer Management, here, Computer Management, and go to Device Manager. Here on Device Manager, Display Adapters, look at this. Microsoft Basic Display Adapter. This is not the driver that I was installed in my computer. In my computer was another driver. Look at this. Right click, update, browse for my computer. Let me pick from a list. And you see here, so my GPU is this one, RX 6700 XT. I only need my official GPU graphic card, okay? But for the moment, if you wanted to quick fix, you just choose the right driver that you need. Let me show you right now. You can click next here and then you will see. Now look at this. In the moment when I hit next and the drivers replace automatically, you will see this Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Let me check again Adrenalin Edition. You can try with your NVIDIA control panel. This will work great. Okay. Now I'm going to show you guys how to prevent this problem happening again, okay? So let's say that you choose the right one, okay? This one is right one here. Watch carefully, this is the trick, guys. I did a lot of research, guys, for this trick to prevent Windows 11 or any Windows upgrading or installing new driver for your GPU graphic card or whatever. Maybe for your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, whatever. This method will work for every driver that you don't want Windows to replace it. So you wanted to choose one that you know that it works. Right click on the driver, Properties, Driver, Details. Here on Details, guys, it's very important. Click Device. You see this property list? Go ahead, search for hardware IDs. This is very important. You see these IDs here? Nice, huh? Okay, now what we are going to do, click one ID here, the first one, the longest one. Here, copy this first ID, go to Group Policy Editor, search on Start, Group Policy Editor, go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System. Here on the system we need to find device installation. Now here on the device installations we have to go device installation restriction. You will see an option that is said prevent installation of devices that match any of these IDs. This is big deal. It's not configured in my case. That's the point. This is the problem. Now watch carefully. What you are going to do, click enable here at the top, enable. Now click this button here, show, and here on the value double click, right click, click paste here. Now you have this ID that we copy, click OK, click apply. This is good. So you don't have to click this also apply matching devices, leave it as it is, okay? Just click enable here, okay? Now these policy settings allow you to specify a list of plug and play hardwares and compatibility IDs for devices that Windows is prevented installing. By default, these policy settings take precedent over any other policy settings that allow Windows to install device. Wow, this is good. Now click OK. Don't go yet. We have here another option. Allow administrators to overwrite device installing restriction policies. You need this because if you don't enable this first option here, allow administrator to overwrite devices. You will not be able to update your driver anymore if you wanted to do it manually. That's the point. This option will allow you to do an upgrade when you want it. Not Windows, but you. Click Enable here, click Apply, and click OK. Now guys, you're good to go. Now what you are going to do, go ahead and restart your computer. Restart computer and enjoy. Now Windows 11 doesn't have any privilege to install new driver for your GPU graphic card, because this is that I wanted. I don't want Windows 11 to replace my GPU graphic card. What about the other drivers? No problem. If you wanted to use it on Wi-Fi, do the same thing for your Wi-Fi adapter, okay? So all these commands that I did today you will find on my tips to fix website, guys. If you have the same problem with your Wi-Fi not working after Windows 11 update, go ahead, watch this video that I did for this. So guys, don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know if you fix it. Let me know if you are thankful, or if you wanted to give something, go ahead, use my donation button in my website. Can you please do me a favor? Subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and God bless you. See you on the next video tutorial.